Here's how I lost everything and everyone, then accidentally stumbled upon the 100% natural tinnitus solution the world's been begging for. Hi, my name is Charlie Gaines, and this is the true story about how I helped find a real answer for tinnitus. Through this journey, I discovered a completely natural, inexpensive, and proven method that finally quiets that incessant inner ear noise once and for all, and ultimately improves your brain function while protecting you from future brain disorders. Yes, it all sounds like a stretch, but stick with me for a few minutes. I'll prove it's all true and it's all possible. But even more than that, you're going to realize the piercing sound that drives you mad has nothing to do with your ears. Your tinnitus is actually a giant flashing warning sign that your brain is in serious trouble. The minute you learn what's really going on inside your mind, you'll do more than finally put an end to all the ringing and whooshing and roaring sounds that are dominating your life. You'll be able to fight the brain disorder that may be looming in your future. Whether it's simple memory loss or something far more severe like dementia, Alzheimer's, or Parkinson's, you'll have what you need to stop it and reverse it. This solution is so powerful yet so simple without having to spend a dime on risky and costly surgeries, hearing aids, medications with dangerous side effects, ear flushing, or useless sound therapies. You get fast results. I did, and scores of other people did as well. People from all ages in all medical conditions experienced it working flawlessly. People like me whose lives were destroyed by their tinnitus. And in just a few short days, those loud all day and night noises grew quieter and quieter. Until a few days later, I forgot what that noise even sounded like. I went from living half a life to living life to the fullest once again. But as awesome as it is to once again enjoy your full hearing and forget about your tinnitus forever, there's something even bigger going on inside your brain as a result of this simple solution. This is what the medical community has been searching and hoping for decades and decades. You see, more than a quick and proven fix for tinnitus sufferers everywhere, this amazing remedy is a major key to unlocking brain repair and even rejuvenation. Yes, that's the real power behind this solution. It can actually significantly decrease your risk of serious brain disorders. Memory loss, Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, and dementia might all be reduced or eliminated completely. But I know you just want relief now. Fast relief from that horrible sound that just won't go away. Make it stop. I bet you've yelled that before, maybe even today. Sure, your friends and family just look at you like you're making it up, like you're making too big a deal out of it. But they just don't understand. They don't understand what it's like to spend half the night tossing and turning and just trying to get a few hours of quiet sleep. They don't understand how it's not your alarm that wakes you, but your tinnitus. They don't understand that at times whispers can be painful and at other times you can barely hear someone sitting right next to you. They don't understand how this horrible sound takes over everything. At work, when you're home with your family, or when you're out on the town, and all of the headaches, dizziness, nausea that comes with it. There's no escape. But you've tried it all, right? You've seen all the doctors. Maybe they flushed your ears or given you a prescription that did practically nothing. Or had you undergo ear therapy that was a really expensive joke. Or maybe like most doctors, they did nothing. They simply gave you false hopes that it will go away. Or worse, they told you that you'll have to suffer with it for the rest of your life. You see, tinnitus is one of those mysterious afflictions that baffle most doctors. Most throw their hands in the air and say, I really don't know. That's why 90% of the medications, treatments, and therapies for tinnitus simply don't work. Because they haven't gotten to the root of the cause. But stick with me for a little bit longer and I'll explain it all. But for now, you could care less about the cause. You simply want immediate and permanent relief. Finally, here's the relief you've been hoping, begging, and possibly praying for. Get ready to finally kick your tinnitus to the curb. Get ready to finally put an end to this dreadful ringing sound that's been ruining your life. Get ready to feel and act and live completely normal once again. Just imagine waking up to peace and quiet. No more ringing, no more loud whooshing, whirring, or roaring. Just silence. Beautiful, glorious silence. Plus, there's no more headaches or dizziness. You're sleeping through the night and waking up refreshed. You're no longer feeling angry, bitter, or depressed. Your tears are replaced by an abundance of happiness and laughter. You finally want to experience life to the fullest, go out with your friends and loved ones, and have long, meaningful conversations with your significant other. You're suddenly more productive and more focused at work, no longer having to hide from colleagues or make excuses why you didn't hear all the details. What's most important, you finally have your life back, the one that was stolen from you by this awful, debilitating affliction. You can do anything you want, be anyone you want, and never again have to worry about when that noise will start haunting you again. You are free, just like the thousands of others who took the leap of faith to try this remarkable solution. People like Dave, 45, from Texas. I won't lie, having suffered for years, my tinnitus was ruining my life. It took over every part of it. Having a solution that finally works is a dream come true. I never thought I'd be able to get rid of that annoying buzz. Or Susan, 55, from Florida. Not long after developing tinnitus, I noticed my memory slipping. Little things here and there, in one ear and out the other. It became embarrassing. Not only was I having to put up with that constant ringing sound, now I was slipping up at work. To say my life is different now is a huge understatement. I am different now, and everybody can see the difference in me. I'm just so relieved that I gave this a chance. Now, let's not waste any time. I want you to learn who I am and how I was able to turn the medical world upside down and start enhancing thousands of lives almost by accident, and how Big Pharma continues to ignore the pain and frustration of tinnitus sufferers like you so they can continue raking in billions. Like you, the day I got my tinnitus, I thought it was just another tweak that middle-aged people go through, something that would disappear in an hour, a day, a week. If only I knew that it decided to set up camp in my brain and stay there for years. My daughter Sherry had just turned 2. Living in South Carolina, she had never seen snow. She woke that morning to see about 3 inches of snow was on the ground. Well, that's a lot for us. That whole morning was a blur of building snowmen, making snow angels, and having snowball fights. We came inside for hot chocolate, and Sherry told me a joke, but I never heard the punchline. Instead, I was stricken by a paralyzing sound that came out of nowhere. I interrupted her joke and asked my wife, "Do you hear that?" But it looked like she just lip-synced her response. But that sound, it was like nails on a chalkboard, metal on metal, screeching, whirring, and it got louder and louder. So I assumed I still had snow in my ears. I tried everything to get it out and get my hearing back. Nothing worked. I waited for it to go away. 1 day, 3 days, a week. That noise took over my life. It didn't let me sleep, didn't let me work to my ability, and didn't let me have fun with my family. Was this an ear infection? Did a bug crawl in my ear? Am I going deaf? After 2 weeks of living with that constant ringing in my head, I finally went to the doctor. I don't believe I've ever looked forward to a doctor visit in my life, but I was excited about what I thought would finally be a solution. I saw the best ear doctor in town. He checked my ears, did a ton of tests, and even did an audiogram. He left the room, and I couldn't wait for him to hand me that prescription to put an end to my suffering. Instead, he came back in and said, "Good news." I instantly smiled. "There's nothing at all wrong with your ears." What? Mr. Gaines, I get a bunch of patients who come in here looking for something to fix the noise in their ears. The fact is, tinnitus isn't usually an ear issue. Well, that made no sense. Did he not know what was going on inside my ears? Then he said something that I'll never forget. That ringing you hear in your ears is actually a symptom of a hidden condition that could be very serious. The truth was, neither he nor anyone in the medical community knew what exactly caused it. They don't even know how to alleviate the symptoms. And most importantly to you, they don't know how to permanently get rid of it. I went through test after test after test, starting with my ears, jaw, neck, and ending with my internal organs and blood work. Then the doctors prescribed a whole slew of medicines to help my headaches, to alleviate my dizziness, even to stop my nausea. But nothing he described would stop the horrific constant noise that cost me my wife, my child, my job, and now my sanity. Instead, he just kept warning me again that my ringing was hiding something worse, much worse. Then, all of a sudden, he just abandoned me, just like doctors do to people with our condition every single day. Sure, if I had cancer or heart disease or diabetes, they would have a treatment, a plan of action, hope. But we tinnitus sufferers don't get that hope. We are left alone to deal with it, to go through life with pain and discomfort, to make us seem crazy when we're with friends or family. So that's what I did. I learned to live with it, but still secretly hoping it would magically disappear. Problem is, it gets worse with age, much worse in my case. Once I finally got used to the annoying ringing in my ears, the volume would be cranked up and up and up. It went from white noise to red, screeching noise, like listening to a motorcycle revving all the time. Some days it was almost debilitating. Other days I would take long showers hoping to drown out the sounds. But most days I would just keep to myself for fear I would do something stupid. Like the time I yelled at the nice server because she was pouring sweet tea too loudly. Yes, my tinnitus was always front and center in my mind until something else, something much worse, started taking over. I suddenly had the mind of an 80-year-old. First, it started with forgetting where I parked my car or misplacing my glasses, little things. Then it escalated quickly, forgetting friends' names, losing my train of thought, and forgetting important days like my little girl's birthday. That's when I decided I had to finally do something about this. Something about that noise of death in my head, and something about my memory loss that seemed to be getting worse and worse with every passing week. Out of the 25 plus things I tried, only one thing worked. But let me first tell you about all the reject remedies so you don't waste your time and money. Here's what I can tell you absolutely didn't work for me, and it rarely works for other tinnitus sufferers. Hearing aids. These simply mask the noise in your head. They're very costly, uncomfortable, and they just don't work. It's like adding another pain so you don't quite feel your original pain. Just stupid. Sound therapies. These offer very temporary relief, if any at all. Prescription medicines. These helped my headache some, but had no effect on my tinnitus and memory loss. Herbal remedies. They improved a couple of ailments, but my tinnitus was as loud as ever. Acupuncture. Didn't work at all for me. Meditation and massages. Nope, did nothing for me. And antidepressant medication. These made me feel like a zombie with ringing in his ears. Simply put, I had to face the fact that there was nothing available for my suffering, nothing to help stop my memory loss and deteriorating brain. It was simply time to take my health, my future, into my own hands. I had to figure something out because I refused to go out without a fight. I made the decision that I was going to go out swinging. So I became a sponge, finding and reading everything I could about tinnitus. I scoured the internet, forums, YouTube, libraries. They became my life, my obsession. Instead of being dejected and resigned, I became driven by the mass of doctors and specialists that treated my tinnitus like it was a mere bee sting, giving me one lame treatment after another. I became driven by big pharma-created remedies that only masked the problem, but that only made pharmaceutical companies rich while I suffered. I became driven by our government. Yes, our government. They chose to spend billions on so many worthless programs when they know that 1 in every 10 Americans suffer from things similar to this. Researching tinnitus became a new full-time job for me. And that's when I stumbled upon a study that gave me something I hadn't had in years: hope. Yes, this study was conducted by scientists at the University of Konstanz in Germany. Their study concluded that chronic tinnitus has absolutely nothing to do with your ears, but everything to do with your brain. The doctors were looking in the wrong place. The truth is that it's not a ringing inside your ears, it's a ringing across your brain. This study suggested that when the part of your brain that processes sound gets damaged, your brain suddenly can't process the sounds you hear correctly. Your brain actually mixes up the signals, and the result is a constant buzzing or ringing noise. A further study proved that even people who are deaf still suffer from this ringing in their ears. This proved to be that tinnitus had nothing to do with your ears or hearing. But it was this third study that sent shockwaves through my system. Scientists discovered that tinnitus was a disease of the networks connecting the brain. In this fascinating study, scientists followed tinnitus during an open brain operation and repeated its circuit. The path proved that tinnitus traveled through every area within the brain, every single one. So that buzz deep inside your brain is actually the lines of communication that cannot successfully travel from one brain cell to another. You know these communication lines as synapses. Well, what do you think happens when the lines of communication within your brain cells are broken? Bingo, your brain cells begin to disconnect, your memory begins to fade, brain disorders take over, including dementia, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's, until finally your brain shuts down for good. I remember just slamming the book closed in the library and making a loud, audible moan. That's when it finally hit me. That's when I realized what the doctor had been trying to tell me. Tinnitus is your first real warning signal that your brain could be dying. What did my future hold? How long did I have? Was I going to get early onset Alzheimer's and be confined to a nursing home at my age? I had to do something immediately for myself and for the millions of people who were suffering from tinnitus just like me, and also for my family. But what? Who was I but an out-of-work ex-husband and ex-dad? I began calling, emailing, and even meeting with some of the brightest doctors, professors, and alternative medicine experts that I could beg and somehow convince to talk with me. Mostly nobody knew much about the studies of tinnitus I uncovered. And I was about to give up again until an email popped up in my inbox. The second I read the subject line, I literally cried. Nobody can fix your tinnitus and brain ailments, but I can. Was this a cruel hoax or some phishing scam? The email was from a Dr. Edmund Healy. I really didn't know him. I had just had his contact information. I scrolled the email content and it simply said, "Let's meet." Now, what's weird is he wanted to meet at a laundromat. Not a restaurant or park or bar, but a laundromat. But I thought, who cares where he wants to meet? If he has answers, I must meet him. So the next day, it was all I could think about, and I raced to the laundromat and waited and waited. After waiting nearly 45 minutes after the time he suggested, a slim old man wearing a black coat appeared, almost out of nowhere. The first words he said to me were, "Did anybody follow you?" What? Of course not. Why would anyone follow me? Then, almost like it was routine, he spit out, "Are you wired?" Okay, now it was beyond strange. Who was this guy? Was I in trouble? Was he in trouble? After a quick pat down and a look around to make sure nobody was listening, he started to talk. I had it too. Tinnitus, dementia, early Alzheimer's symptoms, all of it, he said. I was transfixed with every word he spoke. His story seemed out of a James Bond movie. But something deeper inside of me told me he held the answers I'd been looking for. His story sounded just like mine. Got tinnitus out of the blue, suffered for years and tried every medication, therapy under the sun. Nothing worked. Then his memory started slipping. He told me the story of how he went to visit his father in the nursing home. All the patients met in the dining hall for bingo night. So Dr. Healy started to tell his dad about how bad his tinnitus had gotten. Unbeknownst to him, 5 other patients overheard his story. Later that night, each one confided in him that they too had tinnitus, and it was clear that all of them were now battling various stages of memory loss. That's when Dr. Healy knew his days were numbered. The next day, he met with an ultra-secret government agency. The way he described it reminded me of what you read about Area 51, but true. Highly classified, zero documentation, and only meeting in remote places. This exclusive membership consisted of the nation's most gifted people from every valuable profession possible. Scientists, doctors, engineers, inventors. If the government ever had a problem it could not solve, this think tank was summoned. NASA counted on them to get the first men to the moon. And without this extraordinary group of minds, the atomic bomb would have never been created and we may have lost World War II. He went on to explain how these great minds lived to be 80, 90, and even 100 years old and longer. Yet years ago, they realized that far too many of these brilliant geniuses were losing their memory when they hit 50, 60, and beyond. That's what was happening to Dr. Healy. The government couldn't let that happen. They were much too valuable to society. So the government did what they always do. They threw an insane amount of money at the problem. They gathered the most brilliant doctors and scientists on the planet to create a special, secret formula that would do two things: stop tinnitus dead in its tracks and protect their intelligence from brain disorder. But unbeknownst to these doctors and scientists, the formula had another side effect. It actually increased their IQ. My jaw dropped. What? There's actually something that can not only free me from tinnitus problems, but improve my memory and IQ? Dr. Healy couldn't even look me in the eyes. He was clearly ashamed. He went on to explain how this rare and secret formula was only available to a select group, maybe 4% of the population. Only government bigwigs, multi-million-dollar CEOs, heads of state, and a few privileged groups had access. As I was hearing all of this, my head was shaking, almost like a reflex. I told him, I can't believe that's true. My government would never bury a solution that millions of people counted on. Tinnitus and its resulting brain disorders are destroying lives. People are depressed. People are killing themselves over this. My whole family left me. I lost my job. I even thought about... Dr. Healy stopped me right there. He made a money motion with his fingers. Dr. Healy then said, "Money, my man. Money controls everything. It's one of the major reasons why there's always war in the Middle East. It's the reason why big tobacco will always win. And it's why people will continue to suffer when there's a perfectly proven remedy for tinnitus and brain disorders." He went on, "Did you know that Big Pharma controls the tinnitus and Alzheimer's industries to the tune of $25 billion? $25 billion. Plus, all those supplements that promise to increase your brain power, the costly drugs for headaches, the therapies, all of it." I could see Dr. Healy's anger build. As long as they keep getting richer and richer, they don't care how much people like you are suffering. Think about it. This one simple and potent remedy would take the place of dozens of pharmaceutical products that would cost them billions. After my eye-opening meeting with Dr. Healy, I was angry at Big Pharma, big government, the whole screwed up system that's only out to make a buck. But beneath all the anger, I just couldn't stop smiling. Because I now had access to the nation's most potent and promising remedy to finally end years of painful, annoying, and piercing sounds that consumed my days, nights, and life. I'm so excited to share this ultimate tinnitus remedy with you and what's behind this secret formula. How these powerful ingredients combine to quickly quiet your mind and let you live like normal, but they don't stop there. While you're getting your hearing and your life back, this rare combination of ingredients starts repairing and rejuvenating your brain cells while also protecting them from scary memory disorders like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Not only am I going to share these rare and potent ingredients with you, I'm going to show you what amazing results you can expect to fight your own tinnitus and even go further to fight memory loss in future brain disorders. And while you may think you can find these ingredients in other solutions, please remember the real potency and power behind this remedy lies in this precisely calculated formula. In other words, this formula is 100% effective and proven to work for you. Similar ingredients in other formulas will never come close to the results you're about to learn. Are you ready? Here we go. Stage 1. In just a few days, your hearing starts to clear. That awful ringing and whooshing noise grows quieter as your brain networks start to be repaired and your nervous system calms down. Finally, after weeks or months, or even years of suffering, you're getting relief. What's the secret to this quick, soothing relief? It's hibiscus and hawthornberry. Scientists have discovered that this precise combination quickly repairs the buzzing brain. Hibiscus calms down the entire nervous system, and hawthornberry stops panic attacks cold. While these ingredients are everywhere, only we know the exact species that works on tinnitus. There are over 230 species of hibiscus and more than 1,000 species of hawthornberries in the world, but only one of each kind delivers these amazing and fast results. But these first results are just the beginning. On to stage 2. This is what you've been waiting for. Your normal, quiet mind is back. Beyond kissing that horrible sound goodbye forever, your brain networks are strengthening by the day. Olive leaves are the secret. This little used but super potent ingredient has been proven through multiple lab tests to protect both your brain and your ears. Take comfort knowing these specific, hard-to-find leaves guard your brain against strokes and guard your ears against infections. Now for stage 3, your memory grows stronger and stronger. What's happening? Niacin, also known as vitamin B3, is actively repairing your damaged brain cells. Before long, you'll enjoy the steel-trap memory of your youth, instantly recalling every name at the party or obscure facts that practically nobody knows. Here's what's really cool about niacin. It repairs years of brain deterioration. In fact, after just days, patients with severe cases of Alzheimer's started regaining memories. Plus, their thought processes and behaviors greatly improved. Beyond niacin, garlic, yes, garlic, fights dementia and powers up your memory. This is the phase where we get a lot of success stories because people see so many improvements, including better memory, less fatigue, zero dizziness, crystal clear thinking, better focus, and here's the best one, you'll once again be sleeping all night long. Can it get better? It does at stage 4. This is where you feel your brain is supercharged because cell regeneration begins. What's the secret? It's the perfect combination of vitamins B12, B6, and buku leaves. These superpower ingredients are like steroids for the brain. Did you know your brain actually shrinks as you age? It's true, but these 3 ingredients reverse the hands of time to actually grow your brain. As cells activate and rejuvenate inside your brain, you'll start thinking much faster, better, and more clearly. This is the stage where people do incredible things. Start their own businesses, launch a new clothing line, take up painting or guitar, even do contract work for NASA. We've seen it all. But it's not over yet. Stage 5 should be your goal. At this final stage of your hearing and brain repair and recovery, you get your full and healthy life back. You're no longer worrying about tinnitus or memory loss or brain disorders anymore because your brain is being trained for perfect health. Our scientists wanted to make 100% certain that your tinnitus and all the pain, discomfort, and frustrations that come with it never reappeared. That's why they combined a few of today's most potent and proven ingredients, including green tea, juniper berries, uva ursi, and vitamin C. Juniper berries and uva ursi are designed to clean your brain of toxins. Green tea multiplies your critical neural connections. And vitamin C shields your brain against tinnitus, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and even tumors. Of course, these powerful and proven ingredients are only half the story. How these ingredients are sourced is the difference between 50% relief and 100% relief. You already know that only some types of headache medicines work for you. Maybe ibuprofen works for you, but acetaminophen does not. Perhaps Tylenol gives you fast relief, whereas Advil takes much longer. If you went on a journey to multiple health food stores and pharmacies and grabbed all of the ingredients I just mentioned, you'll never come close to the results you experience from our formula. Why? Because all the ingredients in this specific formula had to come from the purest sources and in the most effective forms to quickly enter your brain and get immediately absorbed. As you can imagine, it took a lot of begging for Dr. Healy to finally share these ingredients and proven formula with me. After all, this secret formula that could fight tinnitus and brain disorders in a matter of days was designated as highly classified. But even though he was sworn to secrecy, he was also human. And he could no longer sit by and watch so many tinnitus sufferers like myself when he knew he had the answer they had been hoping and praying for. After a barrage of emails and phone calls in another secretive meeting, Dr. Healy agreed to help me and to help millions of tinnitus sufferers get their hearing back, their memory back, and their lives back. He helped me recreate this super potent formula so tinnitus sufferers everywhere could benefit. Sure, I'm no scientist, and I had no idea how to turn all these natural ingredients into the world's most complete tinnitus remedy. But I did have something even more important. I had passion. Passion to put an end to these days, nights of pain, discomfort, and frustration. Passion to turn my life around and return to my earlier days where I was a valuable member to society. Passion to start working again, to win my wife back, and to once again be there for my precious daughter. You'll be amazed what you can accomplish once you have passion. And so he combined my over-the-top passion with his medical and scientific knowledge, and we got down to work. Of course, even with the formula, the medical knowledge, and the lab to put it all together, gathering the ingredients was the most difficult task, some might say impossible. Here's the problem. There are so many counterfeit and cheap imitations of all of these ingredients. That's not exaggeration, it's fact. We even tested 97% of the available natural extracts of green tea, vitamins B and C, herbs, berries, leaves, and more. We were shocked by the results. What we found were fake ingredients derived from chemicals and not natural sources. In other words, that green tea extract you think you are buying at the health food store will not deliver the same amazing results that real green tea extract will. Because we wanted the most impactful results in the fastest time possible, we sourced only the top 3% of quality ingredients. Although we knew sourcing these rare ingredients would send us and our scientists all over the world looking specifically for certified producers and verified suppliers, although it would take months and months and cost us tens of thousands in travel, the ultimate results would make it worth it. After months of working 10 and 12-hour days, after depleting my savings and even my retirement, after almost giving up on multiple occasions, we hit pay dirt. In all the months I worked by Dr. Healy's side, he probably never smiled once and never laughed. After throwing out dozens of batches that didn't live up to our expectations, I remember that late night when Dr. Healy looked at me with the biggest grin across his face, like a newborn father type of smile. I didn't even have to ask. I knew what that smile meant. And there it was. In the palm of his hand was the very tinnitus remedy I had wanted for so many years. For me, it was a miracle. I gulped it down with just the saliva in my mouth, half scared, half desperate, half excited beyond words. I wish I could tell you that my hearing instantly came back, but that's not the truth. I probably looked at the clock every hour thinking, will this be the hour my life finally changes? While hours passed, I still had hope. This had to be the one, the thing that could fix it all. The next day, I simply felt a little different. Something definitely changed, but what exactly? The fifth day is when it happened. The volume of my tinnitus turned down from rock concert loud to a low hum. What the good doctor and I stumbled upon was a modern-day miracle. This simple remedy now meant that anybody could take it regardless of tinnitus severity or age. You didn't need any costly doctor appointments or prescriptions. You could finally put an end to all other expensive and ridiculous therapies and medicines. Plus, not only would your tinnitus shrink and shrink and shrink until it finally faded away to nothing, you are also protected from brain disorders like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. As excited as I was about my own results, a scary revelation came over me as I thought, what if it just worked for me? We must give this remedy to others to test. So I gathered a group of about 30 individuals, friends, ex-colleagues, and even complete strangers, all with varying degrees of tinnitus. Some had memory problems already, others had not advanced that far. They all got the pills as well as a weekly report to measure their progress. I'll admit, I was scared the reports would come back with zero to little results. That didn't happen. After just 3 or 4 days, I got calls from everyone about how their tinnitus volume dropped. Women called me in tears, men who screamed in joy, even one woman who said she would be naming her unborn baby after me. The amazing results I was experiencing weren't a fluke. Everyone was getting similar or even better results. And my results were pretty phenomenal. By week 2, the horrific ringing in my ears was almost completely gone. Just like white noise that was barely noticeable. What's more, my depression slowly disappeared, my fatigue was gone, and I had more energy than I knew what to do with. Week 3 is when it happened. Yes, I was finally free of tinnitus. I'm telling you, by now it felt like I had recaptured my youth. After 3 weeks, with so many other symptoms disappeared, now I was sleeping straight through the night and waking refreshed every day. My brain fog was gone, every thought was crystal clear, plus my memory was getting stronger and stronger. All of this good news begged the question, should I continue taking this secret weapon or stop? Well, Dr. Healy advised I keep taking it. He reminded me that it was all natural ingredients and was doing a world of good for my long-term brain health. Besides, I wanted to make sure my tinnitus never came back. So I kept at it, every day feeling even better than the previous day. At week 6, I broke down and cried. It happened out of the blue. I was making a sandwich and a song came over the radio. It was a song for my wedding day. It was one of my ex-wife's favorites, but to me it was just another song. As I was spreading on the mayonnaise, I started quietly singing every word. Every single word. I didn't even know that I knew that song, but somewhere in the recesses of my brain, I did. Then, like a reflex, I collapsed to my knees and began to cry. Not only was my tinnitus completely gone, I had gained a memory and brain function that was almost superhuman. As I sat on the floor, I was grateful for all of my improvements. My old migraines and headaches were gone. My memory and focus were crystal clear. I now had energy, purpose, and a passion to live life to the fullest. So my life was quickly becoming a success story. What about the other subjects in my study? Since it had already been several weeks, I went to collect the reports. The results were even better than I imagined. Every single person was freed of all tinnitus symptoms, not even a high or low-pitched ringing in their ears anymore. Even better, those who were experiencing hearing loss could now hear much better. So many success stories, so many lives improved. Our solution was just what I had hoped it would be, and then some. I realized I was missing one report from a neighbor, so I paid him a visit. The second he saw me, he hugged me almost violently. I'll never forget his words. He said, "You saved my life, literally saved my life." Nobody else knew, but I had what they call early onset Alzheimer's. I was forgetting more and more each day. At that very moment that you brought me your pills, I wrote a note to myself on my computer. It said, "Brian, if you don't remember your mother's name, please take the blue medicine." That was my suicide, and you saved me. Now my memory is growing stronger every day. Thank you so much. After hearing that, I simply couldn't keep this life-saving treatment all to myself. That very next day, we decided to produce this amazing supplement, make it available for everyone who's tormented by tinnitus. We call it Tinnitus 911. You may call it a lifesaver. While this started off as my story, it's now clear that this is everyone's story. Now it can also be your story. But first, you're probably asking a couple of questions. How can I start benefiting from this incredible supplement? And when and in what quantity should I take this supplement? First, while yes, I did reveal several of the key ingredients to make this awesome anti-tinnitus pill, it's not that easy. Most, as in about 97% of the supposedly natural ingredients on the market, are either fake or filled with dangerous chemicals and pesticides. If you had deep pockets and weeks of time to gather all of these ingredients yourself, the results, if any, wouldn't be worth it. Second, we have a little issue. Our supply stocks are literally emptying out in just a matter of days. I used to always think that the term high demand was a marketing trick. That is until now. Those who tested our product and handled their tinnitus issues are asking for many more bottles for themselves, their family, coworkers, and friends. Plus, when the word got out, we now have a cult following of people who simply take the supplement to prevent tinnitus and ensure they won't succumb to any severe brain disorder. Third, picture a giant factory where millions of pills are produced every day. That's not us. Remember, you won't find our ingredients in the corner health food store or pharmacy. We produce Tinnitus 911 in small batches to ensure that we best use the top 3% of ingredients that are most effective. As a result of producing Tinnitus 911 in tiny batches, we have to ration the number of bottles we allocate. But since you stuck with me until the very end of my story, I'll tell you how to get your hands on a brand new bottle of Tinnitus 911 as part of our awareness campaign. As for how you should take Tinnitus 911 supplement, the answer is easy. Just take one pill twice daily for at least 30 days. In about 3 weeks, you can expect your tinnitus to disappear and regain your hearing and sanity. Then you decide how far you want to go. Do you want to significantly decrease your risk of memory disorders? Do you want to notice improvements in your memory, speed of thought, and focus most every week? Do you want to feel how your brain is being supercharged and regenerated to rival the mind you had when you were in your early or late 20s? If that's what you want, it could take at least 75 days to clear the deterioration caused by the damaged brain networks, which means we recommend 3 bottles of Tinnitus 911. I'm sure you want the absolute best chance to fight against getting Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and other terrible brain disorders, all while you kiss tinnitus goodbye forever. If so, you'll be in good company, as this is one of our most popular choices where we recommend a 4-month supply, which consists of 4 bottles of Tinnitus 911. Here's the truth. Nobody really knows just how damaged your brain networks may be. You don't know, we don't know, heck, even your doctor may not know. The reason, there are just so many variables, such as your medical history, your tinnitus severity, your overall health, lifestyle choices, and more. However, because we know that tens of thousands have enjoyed fantastic results after suffering from chronic tinnitus, we recommend taking at the very least 3 bottles of Tinnitus 911, 4 bottles or more to be completely safe, for a period of 90 days. This should be enough to put an end to your tinnitus, completely regenerate your brain, supercharge your memory, and protect it against tinnitus and brain disorders. Today, people all over the world are getting their lives back, and it's all because of this single, completely natural supplement that has 0 side effects. Cassandra, 62, from Wyoming. I'll admit, I was very skeptical. I've suffered from tinnitus for over 15 years, and I thought I'd hear that noise until the day I died. After 1 week of taking Tinnitus 911, the piercing sound felt more like a whir. After a month, it was gone. I feel truly blessed that I trusted Tinnitus 911 and finally have relief. I'm looking forward to enjoying my retirement in peace and quiet. Or Ronald, 47, from New York. I've had this mild but very annoying buzz in my ears since I worked in construction in my 20s. I honestly didn't see how a pill would help. But since I began taking Tinnitus 911, I have noticed a dramatic difference. It has only been a few weeks, but the buzz is getting less and less each day. I can't wait to see how much it benefits my brain. Or Fiona, 62, from Texas. Tinnitus 911 has changed my life. My family and friends never really grasped just how devastating my tinnitus was. But they've noticed my new lust for life. I'm enjoying things I haven't in decades, and my memory is sharp as a tack. It hardly seems real. I'm telling all of my friends who suffer from tinnitus to take Tinnitus 911 because it really works. Ready to finally quiet your mind, improve your hearing, and boost your memory? Just 2 pills a day is all it takes. Just think about the alternative. Doctors who put you through endless tests that go nowhere. Expensive medicines that have dangerous side effects. Therapies that don't give you the results you want. And doing nothing at all is certainly not a choice. Living day and night with that horrible, piercing noise that never shuts off. The throbbing headaches, migraines, dizziness, and nausea. Being constantly tired and having 0 energy. Not to mention losing your memory, your sanity, and your will to live. Sure, your doctors may try prescribing depression meds or sleeping pills to take the edge off, but they do nothing to fix the tinnitus. They simply turn you into a zombie and you don't get to experience everything life has to offer. Or even alternative remedies like counterfeit herbal extracts, acupuncture, sound therapies, or meditation. These don't cut to the root of the problem. They simply mask it. You've already wasted your money, your time, and your sanity. Aren't you ready for a solution that truly works? Because Tinnitus 911 takes the place of all of those medications, therapies, and so-called remedies, because it's the be-all and end-all supplement that is specifically formulated for superior results, and because it only contains the highest quality, most potent, and rarest of ingredients that are sourced around the globe, you can probably understand why Dr. Healy and I initially wanted to set the value for Tinnitus 911 at $120 a bottle. Plus, this special formula does far more than free your life of painful and annoying tinnitus. It also protects your brain from life-threatening disease that could lead to Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, or other serious brain disorders. Well, given all of this, $120 a bottle should seem like you're stealing from us. But that's not us. If we wanted to make millions or billions like Big Pharma, we would increase the cost 10 times. Heck, that's why they can charge $300 for a single blue pill that enhances your sex life, or a crazy amount for a device that diabetics can't live without, or $100,000 for a single chemotherapy treatment. It's maddening. Remember, I started this mission because I wanted to be free of this pain and discomfort. I started this mission because I wanted to help as many people just like me finally enjoy the life they deserve. And after watching Brian break down and tell me how my supplement saved his life, I knew we had to make Tinnitus 911 affordable for absolutely everyone. So forget $120. We have something special for you. We're offering a special discount to only those few who are watching this presentation. But please be aware, as this discount expires today. If you act today and through this website and make the life-changing decision to invest in this extraordinary anti-tinnitus weapon, we have agreed to give you the very solution that allowed us to finally free ourselves of tinnitus, memory loss, and fears of brain disorders for only $69.95 a bottle. But I want to make this opportunity even easier for you to get started. My goal is simple: to finally help as many people as possible finally hit the mute button on that awful noise in their ears and brain. So I'm doing something I really didn't plan for. I have set up an exclusive discounted package of 4 bottles of Tinnitus 911 for you for only $49.95 a bottle. This is being offered today only for as long as supplies last. Plus, you'll also get free shipping. It's on us no matter where you live. Of course, once we run out, and we will run out soon, the Buy Now buttons will no longer be active. Then it will take us about 2 months to refill our supply. Go ahead and secure your order. Click the 4-bottle package or any other package you wish below to continue with your secure order. Oh, and you also have our unbreakable money-back guarantee plus a $100 bonus. More on that in a second. I personally guarantee you will experience good results with the Tinnitus 911, or we'll pay you back every penny just for trying it out. In fact, you can try the entire bottle if you'd like and decide later if you want us to keep your money. Use all of it, and if you're not satisfied with the results, just return the empty bottle or any remaining portion of it within 90 days, and we'll refund every penny, no questions asked. Plus, we'll give you $100 just for giving Tinnitus 911 an honest try. I have a hunch that Tinnitus 911 is the one thing that you're missing right now to finally end the ringing in your ears and protect your memory, even if you've tried other supplements. But you won't know that if you don't try it. It's time to get your life back. It's time to end your suffering. This tiny investment makes it possible. I almost forgot to tell you, my story doesn't end when my tinnitus was finally silenced and I got the memory of someone half my age. It gets much better. My ex-wife had heard that I turned my life around, got a great new job, and was helping other people afflicted with tinnitus. She called me up one day and asked me out on a date, like we were teenagers. Today, we are all living under the same roof once again, the love of my life, my precious daughter, and me. That's my story. What will your story be? It's finally time to end your suffering and get your life back. Yes, a bottle of Tinnitus 911 may just put an end to that noise, the ringing, whooshing, roaring, and blood-pumping sounds you've been suffering with. And 2 bottles just may start to rapidly restore your mental health, rejuvenate brain cells, and finally end your migraines, sleepless nights, and brain shrinkage. But here's the real magic. 4 bottles of our highly effective formula could make your brain immune to it all. Tinnitus, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, dementia, brain tumors, and more won't stand a chance with you. But a little bit of warning, we're closing this site down as soon as our last batch sells out. Because of high demand and Big Pharma watching our every move, this site will no longer be active once our initial early adopters batch is sold out. So if you come back and see a sold out notice on our site, I'm sorry. That's why it's imperative you secure your supply of Tinnitus 911 by clicking the button you see below right now. This rare special will not last, and our next batch in 2 to 3 months will very likely be at full price, probably even higher than our $69.95 per bottle special. The last thing you want is to know you could have fixed this problem once and for all and saved a ton of money on prescription drugs that aren't as effective and suffer through not only the noise, but the life-threatening conditions caused by brain degradation. And then you either have to pay full price for Tinnitus 911 or worse, it's no longer available to you due to our supply running out. So please don't sit and regret it. Take advantage while you can before it's too late. Click the link below and just try the Tinnitus 911 at our risk. Give it a try for 90 days and then decide if you want to keep it and if you want to let us keep your money. You can take back every penny anytime you want within 90 days for any reason at all. Plus $100 just for giving Tinnitus 911 an honest try. Just click the Add to Cart button below this video right now, fill out your order on the next page, and we'll immediately ship out your bottle via free rush shipping. Just imagine having the confidence that aging 30, 40, or even 50 more years won't put a dent in your memory or your brain health. Right now, you may be thinking, this sounds amazing, I'm ready. How do I get started? It's easy. Just click the button below and choose the best package for you. Next, you'll end up on our secure checkout page. Simply enter your payment details, place the order, and in just a few short days from this moment, you'll get Tinnitus 911 delivered to your home, and we will cover the shipping free. But click now. It's the only way to secure your order and enjoy this discount while supplies last. There's absolutely zero risk with our 90-day, 100% quiet or 100% money-back guarantee. Sure, some supplement manufacturers have weak guarantees. They say you'll get some results or that you'll feel better. Well, a sugar pill that does nothing can deliver similar weak results. Then there's Big Pharma. Guess what their guarantee is? That's right, nothing. Why? Because they don't want to cut into their hefty profits and they don't believe in their products. Then there's us. We're not in business to make billions like Big Pharma, and we care too much for our customers to not offer a product that simply provides the 100% results that you expect. We know Tinnitus 911 works. We've researched it for years. We've tested it every which way possible. That's why we know it absolutely works 100%, and it's why we are proud to have the industry's strongest warranty. Simply put, Tinnitus 911 will work for you or you get all of your money back. Not a portion, not minus the shipping costs. You get everything back. It's our 90-day, 100% quiet or 100% money-back guarantee. Plus, we'll give you $100 just for giving Tinnitus 911 an honest try. We can confidently stand behind our guarantee because less than 1% of our customers use it. Because the minute they start taking this amazing supplement, their ringing gets less and less intense and eventually vanishes completely until you have peace of mind and silence. If you are among the rare less than 1% who want a refund, we've made it as simple as possible. Simply return the unused portion and we'll immediately get your refund to you. It's easy and there are no questions, no pressure, and no awkward moments between us. One more time, you have nothing to risk, even if it works marvelously for you, but you still aren't 100% happy for some reason, please let us know. We will still honor the refund. It took years for your brain to get to this point where it's haunting you all day and night with a horrible screech. Now it takes just seconds to start doing something about it. Simply click the button below to get started. When we say limited time offer, it's not marketing tricks. We will seriously have to raise the price very soon. We have a simple goal, to get Tinnitus 911 into the hands and brains of 5,000 new people. 5,000 people who have been needlessly suffering for weeks, months, or years. 5,000 people who have tried every remedy under the sun and are beyond frustrated and exhausted. To make this happen, we've lowered our program to an all-time low of only $69.95 per bottle, and even cheaper if you get one of our more popular packages. Unfortunately, all good things must come to an end very soon, and it may be just days away. We will be forced to raise our program price considerably. It will probably be about twice as much because that's how much it takes to profit. But for now, we're sticking to the goal. We want 5,000 people to experience the real difference that Tinnitus 911 will make on their tinnitus, their brain health, their memory and focus, and their lives. Even though it may sound too cheap, even though doctors' prescriptions are hundreds of dollars or more, we are honoring the crazy low but limited time price of only $49.95 per bottle when you grab 4 bottles right now. What's stopping you? Go ahead and click below to finally put an end to this incessant ringing sound once and for all. Place your order below right now, and we can't wait to hear about your incredible results. This is your last chance. You need to act now. Get your supply of tinnitus fighting, memory restoring Tinnitus 911. Click the big orange Add to Cart button below now.